Hi, my name is Chi. I'd like to invite you to the I Ching course on the Jung platform. Well, the course, of course, is going to be about I Ching, whether you have heard about I Ching, experienced with I Ching, or never heard about it. But I guess commonality for who come to the course is to have a deep curiosity to develop yourself. And I Ching happened to be such a powerful tool or powerful instrument. And maybe I should use other word to call it a deep well, the well of resources, the well of wisdom. And at the beginning, maybe it felt like external well because I Ching is called Book of Change. A lot of people give a lot of mystical thoughts and projections about it. But for me, I think for participants come to this course, you will learn to work with I Ching using it as a catalyst to activate your own inner well of resourcefulness. And how do we do that? We do it by understanding, first of all, to have the right perspective and lens, look at I Ching. For me, that already set the scene for half of the success. Yeah. And then we are going to dive into the building blocks. I Ching is fundamentally working with energy. Energy is invisible. However, I Ching's power lies in to connect the yin and yang energy manifested in the nature, which means nature's archetype. So we're going to understand those basic fundamental energy units before we can give you the handle or power to unlock the wisdom in hexagrams. And we're going to do it in a playful way, not in a, like a strict recipe way. Then you will develop a different relationship with I Ching. Maybe to a certain extent also demystify what is I Ching about. And I believe that me spending my half life in China, deeply understanding the Chinese culture, and also being fascinated about the Jungian depth psychology. I myself was a leadership coach. So has been in this playground playing with, applying both Jungian concepts and I Ching concepts into the field where we serve people to make changes and the right choices, not only for them, but for their team, for their life. So I can bring to the course this ability to connect dots from east to west, especially when I Ching is a resource, maybe speaking in the metaphorical language, that taps into the traditional Chinese culture. So some of the metaphors, without understanding the cultural context, probably is much more difficult to grasp. So I can provide that layer of foundation, how to take in, what to take in, and when to take in, and when to let go, and how to activate your own resources, coming hand in hand with what I Ching can offer. Those basic energy units that are universal. Yeah. So then you're empowered to playfully understand how can you make choices in front of difficult situations. We're going to do a demo, by the way, in the course about it. Then you can make a difference. Come join me at the Jung platform for the I Ching course.